is this? So at the end of the video, I got some tea for you, girl, and you do not want to miss this. Don't tell nobody. Here is my Temu package. It arrived. Woo! Because I actually forgot what I got. I'm gonna be surprised right along with you guys. Oh, okay. I got makeup brushes. They're really lightweight though. You know, they don't have any weight to them, which is a good thing in your hands so your wrists don't get tired, you know? So I like it. Oh, some stuff I forgot I had got, y'all. Ooh, this is a makeup brush stand. It holds like a whole lot of makeup brushes in here for when they're drying. Okay, so I was trying to find something for all my makeup brushes to dry in one spot. Okay, oh, okay. I ordered a lot more of these little triangular makeup puffs setting your makeup underneath the eye. Okay, so this is a pack of makeup brushes. I believe this one came with 2 of the pink puffs, 2 of the like beauty blender type sponges. Okay, so this feels like, you know, like a regular sponge, a makeup sponge. It's kind of dense. Yep. There's no weird smells to it. These makeup brushes actually is like travel size makeup brushes, which will come in handy for me. You have all your face, eye, lip brushes, everything that you need right here, and they are about this size, okay? Okay, well I guess Temu. Girl, what is this? Oh God, it felt somewhere. Okay, scare me. Oh, okay, I remember. Okay, this is the body exfoliating mitt right here, and oh my God, it do feel like it's gonna exfoliate really good. Y'all be on the lookout for my shower routine because I'm gonna try to use this in my shower routine. Oh, okay. Girl, I have never ordered lashes before because I'd be so scared they're gonna get destroyed in the shipment. And these ones, they look pretty good. So they debunked that. I was just, you know, trying to get some stuff that I thought that would be kind of cool. This right here is actually an eyeliner and eyeshadow stencil. I am gonna play around with this. I know y'all seen this thing before. This is probably the main thing that I remember when I ordered, y'all. What? Okay, now I don't know. I do not know, but we gonna put this to the test, girl. I'm gonna dedicate a video to this. This is that thing that we haven't seen on Instagram, social media, you know, when the lady had no eyebrows and then they took this and just like wiped it on her, wiped it across her eyebrows. It was hair strokes. Think we gonna get some hair strokes with this? You think we gonna get some hair strokes with this? I'm gonna see. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Girl, I cannot wait to try that. Next, what I ordered is eyebrow pencils. And yeah, so it's in brown and it has the little twist up. This is okay, y'all. This is the haul video, okay? This is the haul video. I'm gonna have another video actually trying these products, so you gotta like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, girl, so you can see how this stuff works. Oh, I remember. Okay, so this right here is supposed to be like a body shimmer. I saw something like this on social media too, and I love it, you guys. Love it, okay? I ain't gonna lie, girl, I didn't know what else to put in the cart, and I saw this turmeric antioxidant face serum, deep moisturizing brightness, skin tone, lighten acne marks. I don't know, I'm scared because I don't really like putting different stuff on my face. I'm gonna give this one a try. Looks like this. The brand is West and Mouth. Because I do have like an uneven skin tone. I don't really have acne or anything like that. So I'm gonna give it a try. But this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna let you guys know this is plastic packaging. It's plastic. A little dropper right here. Okay. I don't even know what turmeric smells like, so I really don't even know what that's what it smells like. But it smells like something I smelled a long time ago. Eyeshadow palette. Nude Magical Lagmani. Okay. Okay, so I am definitely going to put this in a video and test it for sure. Okay. This one is called Gekomo. So I saw this, girl, and I thought about you, girl. It's all in Chinese writing, so I don't know what the hell I'm reading. Look at all them chocolate shades. I cannot wait, girl, to play in this, okay? I cannot wait to play with this. It has all of the transition shades in there. Ooh, y'all gonna have to look out for the video. Y'all gonna have to look out for the video because I've been doing little different things on my channel, and that's what inspired me to get these. Y'all, I picked up some nails, so they look like these. Comes with all your nails in there. It has a little pink nail file, double-sided for more grit and less grit. Sticky tabs, but I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna use some extra glue. Put those babies on, girl. I am so excited about my little stuff. To me, this is a ton of things for $40, $39. It's a change, girl. I could spend that all day long, okay? I got some tea. I told y'all I had some tea for y'all. Go down in the comments, girl. Go down in the comments. It's a link in there. This link is going to help you make some side income, okay? Go to the link, girl. Of course, it's going to be a link down there that's linked to these products. If you like them, you can purchase them down there. And of course, I'll get maybe an itty bitty commission or something like off of that. But I'm not talking about those links. Go to the link to sign up for the affiliate program for Temu. You gonna thank me later, girl. I can't tell you nothing else right now. Also, be on the lookout for the video of me testing these products. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Please like this video so I would know if you want to see more Temu hauls or more hauls from me. Go down in the comments and let me know what product is it that you want me to test first. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, girl. And I know you want to see me. I know you want to see me. This gotta be too good to be true, you guys. $100 in coupons for people that's new signing up to the Temu app. Also, you could save up to $100 using my code. And girl, 5-day shipping, okay? I mean, they giving somebody like Amazon a run for their money, girl. Don't tell nobody.